Okay, hi guys, this is mmbabao. If you want to learn something, if you want to fix something about your problem, this is how we do it. So, the topic for today is about unity. If ever that we all want to make APK and suddenly just pops up a message, Gradle fail to make APK or Gradle fail, like this picture. Yeah, and you're stuck on that pop-up message, and you can't make any APK so that you can upload it on the Google Play. So here's what we're going to do, because I have that problem also for the past 3 weeks. So I saw the version that they released, and it supports 32 and 64, but mostly now the Google Play will support only 64-bit, not 32. So here's the version that I download, the Unity 2018.4.9 F1. So if you want to download this kind of version, just simply click the link down below on my video description and download the whole installers. And once you uh, once you download, install in all those, and once you install the Unity in your computer, so basically you need to log in, and after that you need to import all your game projects here. And next is we need to go to this build as usual, edit, preference. I think you already know how to fix this stuff. uh, Here you need to check this one on this kind of version. You need to check this one, very important. And X, this is some of the basic stuff that you need to do, especially in the old version or the present version, latest version. Here on this version, you need to check this one. If ever that when you install this kind of Unity version is not yet checked, so just check this one. And next is we need to go to the, yeah, I think we already been here before. Build settings. Yeah. Okay. Here, there's no Google bundle, so it's not important. So there's no need that we need to click this one. All we need to do is just to click click this one and switch, if ever that you haven't switched the game into an Android mode. And once it's done, just click this player settings. As usual, you need to put the basic information of your game, the version, and the key store, the key store, which I already have. All I need to do is just to put the password here. Oops. Put the password here. Okay, this is the name of my key store, mmbabao. So in the other solution, this is important also. You need to put, first it sets on the mono, so next you need to put this on the IL2CPP. This will allow you to use the 64-bit. So I tried to check this one, and so that my APK it has a support of 32 and 64-bit. And once I download it in the Google Play, the Google Play did not the Google Play did not allow me to upload my APK in their website, because it still has a support of 32-bit. So you need to uncheck this one. Just only check this two. And once it's done, there's no need to check here. And the publish here. This is one important. Do not check this one. Once you check this one, the only thing that you will see in your game is the first scene. And once you press the other buttons, sorry about that. Once you press the other buttons, it will lag. So the only thing that you need to check here is this one, the use legacy SDK tools. Split application binary, not recommended on this kind of version, okay? This version, okay. So once it's done, takes you will all you need to do is just to press the build. This is so disturbing. So yeah, I already have, but this is the previous version. I uploaded. I made some updates on my game here, so I press this one. Takes longer than expected, but it will work. Oh, oops, key store not found. So I think I need to put this one, documents, and then I put that one here. Yep. Yeah, there. Okay. Okay. So it's going. So hopefully you learned something today on my video. So there's no need to forward this, because if you've done this, please subscribe on my video, because it will work 100%, because I've been working on this for 3 weeks to make an APK, and this Gradle freaking thing just suddenly pops up and will cancel my application. So hope that you learned something today in my video. Please apply, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Mmbabao, this is how we do it.